Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a heated moment between Kylie Jenner and Khloé Kardashian that shows just how quickly a lighthearted prank can spiral into family drama. While the Kardashian-Jenner clan is no stranger to playful teasing and larger-than-life antics, this particular incident between Kylie and Khloé has caught fans' attention for how fast it turned sour. The Kardashian-Jenner sisters have always shared a bond filled with humor, jokes, and playful rivalries. Over the years, we've seen them prank each other on reality TV, from switching phones to setting up elaborate stunts. Khloé, in particular, has long been known as the family prankster, often the one pulling the strings when it comes to unexpected surprises. But this time, her latest attempt didn't quite land the way she had hoped, and it ended with Kylie firing back in a way no one saw coming. According to insiders, the drama unfolded during a casual family gathering. Khloé thought it would be fun to set Kylie up with what she believed was a harmless prank, one that involved poking fun at Kylie's beauty routine and her well-known obsession with her makeup empire. Khloé reportedly enlisted the help of some family members to swap Kylie's carefully curated makeup kit with a mix of outdated products and joke items. The idea was to film Kylie's reaction for laughs, as the sisters often do with their social media antics. At first, things seemed lighthearted. Kylie, known for her glam looks and impeccable image, was said to have laughed it off when she noticed something was off. But as the prank continued and Khloé pushed it further, Kylie's mood quickly shifted. What Khloé thought was harmless teasing began to feel like targeted mockery, especially since Kylie has built an entire billion-dollar empire around her brand. Sources suggest that Kylie felt Khloé crossed the line by making fun of something she has worked so hard to create. Eyewitnesses revealed that Kylie didn't hold back when confronting her sister. She furiously snapped at Khloé, accusing her of being insensitive and undermining her success. "It's not funny when it comes to my work," Kylie allegedly told her, making it clear that certain boundaries shouldn't be crossed, even in the name of a prank. The exchange shocked family members, who are used to seeing Kylie as the more reserved and laid-back sister. But this time, her response was fiery and direct, leaving Khloé stunned. Those close to the sisters say Khloé was taken aback by Kylie's reaction and didn't expect the joke to hit such a nerve. For Khloé, who often uses humor as a way to bond, the prank seemed innocent. For Kylie, however, it touched on a sensitive spot that mixed both her personal identity and professional pride. Fans online have been quick to weigh in on the situation. Some are defending Kylie, saying that her work as a businesswoman deserves respect and shouldn't be the subject of mockery, even from family. Others argue that Khloé's prank was just another example of their usual banter and that Kylie may have overreacted. Social media discussions highlight how tricky it can be for the sisters to balance personal jokes with the weight of their public personas. It's worth noting that family disagreements aren't new for the Kardashian-Jenner clan. We've seen many moments on their reality shows where tensions flared, only for things to cool down later. Despite the intensity of this exchange, insiders believe Kylie and Khloé will move past it quickly. Their bond, while occasionally tested, has always proven to be strong at its core. Still, this incident serves as a reminder that even in a family where humor and pranks are the norm, boundaries exist, and respecting them is key. For Kylie, the prank struck at the heart of her career, and she made sure her voice was heard. For Khloé, it was a lesson in recognizing that not every joke lands the way it's intended. As of now, both sisters have remained quiet publicly, leaving fans curious to see if the incident will be addressed in an upcoming episode of their reality series or through one of their candid Instagram stories. One thing's for sure, when it comes to the Kardashian-Jenner family, no moment goes unnoticed, and every sibling squabble has the potential to make headlines.
So, what do you think?
Did Khloé cross the line with her prank, or did Kylie overreact to a harmless joke? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take on this fiery sister showdown. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, share the story, and join the conversation for more updates on the Kardashian-Jenner world.